Hello, my name is Loes, and in my research I work with adults that have profound hearing loss that use cochlear implants, CIs, to restore their hearing. However, we see that speech perception outcomes with these cochlear implants vary a lot. Some people do very well, while others they don't do so well. In the MOSAICS project, we are curious to learn why that is. For example, cognitive factors might help explaining this variability in outcomes. From typical hearing research, we know that top-down neurocognitive processes are involved in speech perception, especially in challenging listening situations. In other words, the brain needs to be able to construct meaning from the incoming speech signal, and that is more effortful when the signal is distorted. We are trying to study whether this is also the case for CI users and whether there are specific cognitive processes that are valuable for them to understand speech. There are also other researchers that are eager to better understand this. So therefore, we published a paper for which we dived into the literature to see what other studies found out so far and to use that as a guide for future research. We already knew that other researchers use varying methods and observe varying outcomes, and so for this paper, we used a more systematic approach to look at this literature. We also gave an overview of the 54 selected papers, indicating what you will be able to find in each of them. However, unfortunately, looking into this literature did not reveal very conclusive answers overall. So instead, we identified some ways in which research approaches could be improved to get to conclusions in the future. For example, reporting power analysis or auditory presentation modes, using more speech perception outcome measures within one study, and comparing the time of cognitive assessment are some of the steps we believe we can take to make progress in this field of research. Are you curious to learn more? Check out the paper and feel free to read.